Okay, so right now I'm just going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And you can use any mascara that you have. I'm just using this one because I got it in my BoxyCharm box a couple months ago. And all I'm doing is just kind of combing them. I'm not going to make them look all crazy. Kind of just prepping them for the lashes. So once you have applied your mascara to your lashes, then you're gonna go ahead and start prepping your lashes themselves, your falsies. So today I'm going to be using these 3D Fox Mink Ardell lashes. I think these were like $5 or $6 at Walgreens. Very affordable, but they still look cute. So I'm going to take these out of their packaging. This is in the style 854 3D Fox Mink. So as you know, I'm going to be using my Duo Lash Glue to apply these. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I don't get them mixed up. When you take your lashes out of the packaging, make sure you start out at one edge right here. And I apologize for my ugly thumb, you guys. I need to go get my nails done. But here goes nothing. So you want to start out at the edge and very carefully peel it off. You want to make sure that there are no extra little band sticky things sticking out, because then that's going to poke your eye and it's not going to be very comfortable to wear it all day. So I am going to give my lash a small curl just to kind of like finish prepping them. And I am not applying it on the top right here. I am applying the glue directly on the lash band right here. I do like to put a little extra on the edges just to make sure that my lash is going to stay on all day. We're going to work one lash at a time. It's a good idea once you have the glue on to go ahead and just bend your lash like so. Just kind of give it that nice curved shape. Just to get it ready for your lid. I'm going to be using these little tweezer babies to bring it close enough to my eye, since my nail's broken and I can't do that without it. So I don't want to apply it like this, face down, or like that. I just want to, you guys can see. So that's just as close to my lash as possible. And I am just making sure that the edges are secured first. And then I am attaching the rest. Alright, so there's one eyelash. Now I'm going to work on the second one. I always bend these things back to make sure that I don't pull